Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, WordPress Introduction. Today's agenda was how to install WordPress on localhost like Wamp server, XAMPP server, etc. And second one is control panel like any hosting platform. So here we install the WordPress on localhost. So for that we know what is the localhost, what are the disadvantage of localhost. How does the localhost work in WordPress? The localhosts are nothing but the browser into order to pull up the WordPress website. Like they give the WordPress version live, and they also speed up the development time of the website. The best great for the learning purpose. Like you have to give the project, demo website, anything, you just need localhost. This pop-up will be appear. You see, do you want to choose another browser and install your system? Click on yes. We can use Google rather than the Internet Explorer. To go to the C drive, click on program files. To Google, select the Chrome application and just open. Do you want to choose another text editor? Answer no. Already in the text editor we are on the system. So click on go and go further. Wamp server installation is successful. Now run the Wamp server application. Double click on Wamp server. It will be shown in right side of the corner. Wait for some time until its icon was green and all services are running. That time open the Chrome application. Here type the localhost until all the services are running perfectly and smoothly. This was the Wamp server home page. Now click on the PHP admin. It will show the PHP backend of the website. Also, you can give any name to your database. No need to you have to give any WordPress name. Also, you can give your name also. After that, you have to install the WordPress from the Chrome. We have also give the WordPress file from description. This was the paste in Wamp 64. In www directory, you have to paste the WordPress zip file. You have to also copy the WordPress file only. After that, go to the Google, type the localhost /WordPress not WP, and hit enter. WordPress is installed. Select your language, click continue. Read the description once. Use the data name proper. Username, give the username any. I give the username root. You can give any username also. Database. This was a very important thing. Database name. You have to check PHP MyAdmin. What is your database name? Give it as a perfect name. Otherwise, mismatch your database name. Run the installation. WordPress is installed successfully on your localhost. Now you have to fill some information. This username is your WordPress website. And password, you can give any password. With your username and password. This was your admin page and dashboard, your WordPress blog. WordPress Zone Control Panel. What are the benefit and advantage of the control? Here we look and how cPanel works in WordPress. We manage so many websites, like we have to buy the premium, so you can so many websites run on the single application. Also increase the level of the performance. They give the security, support, and faster also. They give the daily backups. In the localhost, there are no daily backups. We can regularly daily backups automatically. These are the advantage. of the control panel. Here we look how we can install our WordPress on control panel. Here are the two websites. First one is a ProfreeHost and second one is a ByteHost. They are giving the free hosting. is the next. Our next video we can cover how to build and design the website. How we can build our website and design customized website, theme overview, which theme you can download and install on your WordPress. Next one, plugin overview, which plugin is better for use.